You are welcome to class. This is business law. You should know that the purpose of business law in your profession is to get you familiar with the law regulating your business environment. So we have this table of content. We have number one. These are the topics we are going to deal with. We have sources of Nigerian law. We have organization and function of the courts. We have number 3, forms of liability. Number 4, law of contracts. Number 5, law of agency. Number 6, sale of goods. Number 7, hire, purchase and equipment leasing. Number 8, law of employment. Number 9, law of insurance. Number 10, company law. Number 11, law of partnership. Number 12, law of banking and negotiable instrument. And then number 13, we have law of trust. So these are the topics. So let us go into the first topic,